Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jordan. If you're new here, today's video is going to be a foundation declutter, so that's why I'm coming at you makeup-less today. If you're interested in the video, keep on watching, but if you like the video while you're watching, give it a thumbs up, and if you like this channel, go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So let's get started. Okay, so I have this little cabinet that has majority of my things, but I want to definitely go through it and get rid of it. As you can see, it's not very organized, and I really want to get rid of majority of these foundations that I don't use anymore, so I'm gonna go through that today. Okay, so I have some of the things laid out already. I'm gonna just start off based on rounds because I'm not putting all this stuff on my floor. But anyway, I'm gonna put the things that I'm keeping over on this side and the stuff I'm throwing away over on that side. And then keep in mind that I do reviews on foundations, and I also work at a retailer, so I do get some foundations in gratis. So yes. The first thing I'm going to start off with is the Cover FX Custom Coverage Drops. This was gratis. I'm actually going to get rid of that because I don't really use it a lot, and I know for sure this is like 4 years old, like 3-4 years old. So I have two of the Milk Blur Liquid. This one is the old one, so I'll get rid of that, and I'll keep this one because I like it in the summertime. This is the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue, which I really like. It's a tinted moisturizer, but I'm actually going to get rid of that one because it has SPF in it, and I know that this is old, so SPF you do not want to keep around too long because it can irritate your skin. It does expire. This is the It Cosmetics CC Plus Your Skin But Better Oil-Free Matte version. I'm not going to throw it away. I'll probably give it to somebody because I thought it was pretty dull on my skin, but it does wear pretty well. This is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Plus. This is so old. They don't even make this anymore, but I haven't even used it, so I think I need to give that to someone. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte. I love this foundation. I'm going to keep that for the summertime. This is the Too Faced Peach Perfect. I also love this foundation, but the color isn't right. And I have so many other foundations that I think I can get rid of this one. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, which I actually really like. I used a lot of it, but I have the new Dewy Photo Focus, so I think I can get rid of this one. This is the Dior Backstage. I have two of these. This is my backup, so I'm keeping that. And this is the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. I haven't even tried this out. This is the new version, so I'm going to keep that to do a review on. This is e.l.f. Flawless Foundation. This is old. I do like it, but I just need to get a new one. I have it in the shade Cocoa, I believe, so I'm going to get rid of that. The L'Oreal Infallible. Oh my gosh, Fresh Wear. This is so good. It's like almost done, but it's old, so that has to go. This is the Hailey's Reset. I love this for my summer foundation, so I'm keeping that. This is L'Oreal True Match, which is good, but this is old as well, so that gotta go. This is Marc Jacobs Remarkable. Gotta go. Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation. Oh, I don't really use it, so I don't want to throw it away though. Is it old? What do y'all think? I'm gonna put this in the maybe giveaway pile. This is the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion, which I like to mix with a lot of foundations, but I don't have a perfect color and I don't feel like mixing, so I'll give it away. This is the Dior Air Flash. That's actually new, so I'm keeping that. Fenty Pro Filt'r. That's a new bottle. I'm keeping that. This is the Fenty Hydrating. Keeping that. Okay, I have two Kat Von D Lock-It foundations in the shade Deep 76 Warm. I'm sorry, KVD Beauty is not even Kat Von D anymore. These are new. I haven't even touched these. They're really full, and I don't wear like this heavy full coverage, so I'm gonna put this over to the side to give away to somebody. All right, so this is the Maybelline Superstay. I do like this foundation, but it is old now. I think it's about 3 years old, and I'm trying to get rid of stuff that are 2 years and older, so that can go. This is the Lancome Teint Idole. What shade is this? This is one of my favorite foundations. Hold on. There's a shade 500. I think I have more than one of these, so I'm gonna set that to the side just in case. This is YSL All Hours. This is one of my favorite foundations. That's not going anywhere. I have multiple. This is Givenchy Teint Couture. That's not going anywhere either. I really like that one. And Makeup Forever Ultra HD. I have another one of these somewhere too, so that one can be thrown out. Okay, so these are two Beauty Blender Bounce foundations. When it first came out, I had two shades. So I have 4.3 and 4.4. My perfect shade is 4.35, but I'm going to keep 4.4 because I like that in the summertime. 4.3 I'm going to put in the giveaway pile. This is Tarte Amazonian Clay. I'm actually going to get rid of that one. I know I have 2 of them. Wait, hold up. Is this one new? One is old and one is new. I haven't even opened this one. That's gonna go in the giveaway pile. This is Smashbox Studio Skin. This is actually like top 5 of my foundations, so that's not going anywhere. Becca Skin Love. I actually like that too. Ooh, I'll put that over there. This is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin. So this is what the Matte Velvet Plus was replaced with. This is the wrong color though. I'm gonna give that away. Another Fenty in 420. I feel like this looks very I'm gonna put that over there. I'm gonna throw that away since I have another one. This is the Urban Decay Naked Skin. They don't even make this anymore, but this is a really good foundation. Ooh, I'm gonna hold on to that just in case. This is the Hourglass Vanish foundation in Sable. I don't really like this foundation. I'm like tempted to hold on to it just in case, but I don't like it, so I'm gonna give it away. And this is BH Cosmetics Liquid Foundation. I have 2 of these. Where's the other one? The other one's probably in another bag. I'm throwing that away. This is the Beauty Bakery Cake Mix Foundation. They don't even make this anymore, so I'm gonna just throw that away. Laura Mercier, throwing that away. LA Girl, that's old. Ordinary, that's old. Anastasia, keeping. L'Oreal Fresh Wear, keeping. Love that foundation. Okay, so this is the last of my stack. Why do I have so much foundations? But let me show y'all how I seriously have a problem, because look at this. This is the Studio Skin that I told you was top 5. I have 1, 2, 3, and then 4. 4 bottles of that foundation. And you know what? I'm keeping all of them. So all the Studio Skin is going over there because I just love that foundation. I can't get rid of it. It's one of my favorites. All right, so here's another one of the Dior Backstage. I'm keeping that. This is the Oma Beauty Save Wet Foundation. I don't even know why it's still in the box. It's probably why I don't use it, because it's still in the box, like sis. I'm going to keep that. I'm going to try it again. Dior Forever and Ever. I actually need to try that, so I'll keep that. This is the Givenchy Teint Everywhere. I need to try that too. I haven't tried it because the color range sucks and I don't want to put that on my channel, but I'll try it. This is the Tarte foundation, concealer. I'm going to keep that because it's pretty. Okay, and then here's another one of my favorite foundations. When I tell you I love something, I always have backups. This is the YSL All Hours, so yeah, I'm keeping that. So here's the other Lancome. So I'm keeping this shade, and I'm gonna get rid of the other shade because that's old. This is the Becca Complexion Creme. Am I showing y'all the foundations? This is the Becca Complexion Creme. I do like this foundation, but I like others better, so I'm gonna give that away. Estee Lauder Double Wear Summer Foundation, gotta stay. This is a Juvia's Play Summer Foundation, gotta stay. Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear, I'll give that away. This is the Healthy Elixir. I feel like they're discontinuing this, right? Are they? I'm gonna hold on to it. This is the CoverGirl Vitalis Healthy Elixir. This is nice too. Oh, it's similar to the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundations. I call this Elixir. This is the Healthy Foundation. I'm going to keep this one and get rid of the CoverGirl. Alright, so stick foundations. These are pretty good, but I don't think that they're sanitary to give it away. And I don't really gravitate towards foundations nowadays, so I'm going to throw those away. Oh, accent came out. This is the Sephora Make No Mistake Stick Foundation. I feel like I'm almost done with this. Oh, no, I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna keep that. I like this one. Hourglass Stick Foundations, I'll keep those. Nars Radiant Longwear, keeping those. YSL Touche Éclat All-in-One Glow favorite tinted moisturizer, keeping that. What is this? Dior Nude Air. They don't make this anymore. I'm gonna give that away though. This is a Boscia tinted moisturizer that I have yet to try. I don't even think that color is right, so I'm just gonna give that away. This is my CoverGirl. This is Cover FX Power Play. Love that. Born This Way, keeping that. Flower Beauty Light Illusion, love that, keeping that. This is NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. It's a little bit too matte for me, so I'll give that away. It's nice though. It's long wearing. Nars Your Glow, keeping that. Why do I even still have this? I don't like that. ColourPop, bye. Neutrogena, bye. Dior Forever. They don't even make this anymore, but I do love this foundation. They don't make it anymore. Let's be realistic. Bye. This is the Range Beauty. Oh, I like this foundation in the summertime, so I'm going to keep that. So I'm throwing away a total of 25 foundations, and this is kind of sad because some of my foundations are down in my filming area, and I have a lot down there. So the fact that this is 25 that I'm throwing away, and then this stack that I'm keeping is still more than this stack, girl. All right, and then I have 14 foundations here that I'll give away, and these are foundations that are like lightly used, that I use like once or are not used at all. So those I'm gonna let my friends or family go through and see if they want any of these, and then I'll probably donate them or something. So this is what everything is looking like right now. So these are the foundations that I am keeping. I have 39 foundations here that I am keeping. Some are multiples, but that's okay. And then of course I'm getting rid of a total of 39. So that's pretty cool. So yes.